My name is Dr. Jarna Shah. I'm a board-certified interventional pain medicine specialist at SLUCare Physician Group. Not all pains are the same. They all have different mechanisms and pathways through which they travel through our body. I have to identify and treat that specific type of pain, whether it's coming from the nerves, from the joints, from the spinal cord, or from another location as well. My role as an interventional pain physician is to help my patients find treatment options that are opioid sparing and find things through types of injections, nerve blocks, ablations, even stimulators as ways to avoid having to take more medications by mouth and still improve their functionality and quality of daily life. And we have so many options. There's never been a better time to look at treating pain options with alternative treatments. Every patient that walks through my door, I treat like I would treat my family. I want to make sure that they feel heard, seen, and appreciated. Whatever they are experiencing is real. There is never any doubt in my mind that the pain is real. And my job is to get to know my patient and for us as a team to create an answer and a treatment plan to help them establish and reach the goals that they wish to be. A lot of my people just want to be able to play with their grandkids outside or be able to walk a few blocks without hurting. And my plan for my patients is to be a partner,